When we have the event for the builders, architects, interior designers here at the house, I look forward to them walking around and seeing products in the home that they recognize that there's not something like that they've ever seen in a magazine, in a home, anywhere else. When they see the stairs from Viewrail that have a unique center structural design that has no supports on the sides or the landing, that's just, the tip of the iceberg. What stands out about Viewrail stairs and railings to me is, frankly, their quality. They have thought of every little detail that you can possibly imagine, from the structural that actually supports the whole rail to what does it look like where the glass touches the stair, where the glass touches the landing, where the handrail integrates into the glass. Every product is just designed with such care and detail that in a house of this magnitude, it fits. And it doesn't fit because we're trying to make it fit. It fits because it was designed for a space like this. One of the biggest issues for a builder is, frankly, matching the stairs with the flooring in the house. And having a company that actually integrates the flooring that you buy for the whole house with their stairs that they produce for you takes just a huge weight off of the contractor for trying to find a flooring guy that can then stain the stairs to match the flooring that you've purchased for the house. This is a huge benefit for the construction industry, and one that we look forward to taking advantage of in the future. One of the things that I talk about with clients every day is value versus price. What you're getting for what you're paying. And with Viewrail, there is no doubt that the price that they charge is worth every penny of the product that they deliver. The value of the product that you get with a set of Viewrail stairs is off the charts. It is going to blow any other stair that you design and build as a builder out of the water, because it's their niche. It's exactly what they do, and they focus on it. And by doing that, they have truly become the top in the industry.